Stan the Man. So this, I really like John Seville because he does technical analysis a lot like Martin Armstrong. So how did he call the low here? Here's the channel. He taught me this. You connect the highs, project it to the low. You can see this trend line really works because it nailed it there. It nailed it there. On the bottom, what you do is you take this trend line. Let me just delete this. I love this trading view. You take this trend line and you clone it. Right there, clone. And then you just bring it down. And then you take this measuring bar here, bring it to the very low. There's the low. And that projects a low at 237. And what was the low? The low was 234. So it was 37, 38, 39. It was off 34, 35, 36, 37. It was off by 3 points, this low. And all he did, and the reason the market bottomed today is because the algos, the algorithms, the big money, I call it the smart money, they identify this trend, this upward trend line, which is bearish. Upward trend lines are bearish. Downward trend lines are bullish. So you project this, take it right to the bottom there, and it was 3 points off. So normally the first, if you were long right now, Stan the Man, I would say get out on Friday. I would get out tomorrow at 12:30, at 1:30, a half an hour before the market closes, because the first rally is the short covering rally. It's not a real rally. We're most likely gonna have a retest next week. That's the time to get long. So this is how he did it. I mean, it took, I don't know, he took almost 2 hours to actually explain this. You had to listen to all his bullshit and all his, he's trying to sell his newsletter. I get that. So, but he taught me how to do this. So now I can do it on my own, and we could do it together. In fact, now that we know it, now it doesn't really help to know what happened. It only helps to know what is next. What does that mean? It means, okay, since you're so smart, where do I buy, where do I sell? So we're going to do the same thing that John Seville did. We're going to draw this trend line, okay? And then we're going to you clone this trend line, and then you drop it down. We already know how to get the projection. So that's done. So what does this mean? It means we're probably going to rally. This is what John Seville calls a fallen angel. Let me write this down. A fallen. This is a fallen angel, okay? What does that mean? It means it fell out of the bottom of the trend line, the trend channel, which is actually a bullish indicator. So tomorrow we're probably going to top at 248 tomorrow, and then we're going to go back down. But we're starting to now we have a downward channel with a fallen angel. Here's the fallen angel. And here's another thing that you need to know. Boy, this guy's taught me so much. I've watched this guy. This is the shoulder. Okay. We're setting up a head and shoulders bottom. There's the shoulder. There's the head. Here's the head. And then here's the shoulder. I'm going to actually extend this line. You can extend, go to settings, and then what you do is you extend. Boy, this software is so freaking awesome. I can't even tell you how awesome it is. I was drawing charts 30 years ago by hand, and now I'm doing it all on computer. Well, anyway, I can't. Oh, this is how I can extend it. There we go. So we're going to have a rally, then we're going to have a retest, and then we're going to have. So we're setting up a short head and shoulders. Bottom is what we're setting up, which according that goes right along with Pi Pi. So, peace out, my brother. Thanks.